Okay guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's keeping well, doing the best. So I'm tying a few wee Hoglouse patterns up for myself, and I'm going to show you how to put this together. It's dead simple. You can't go far wrong with this. Now the hook in the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 12. The thread that I'm going to use is the Textreme fluorescent orange in 80. So we'll just come in and start our thread off. The hook. I'm just going to work my thread down until we're just past the point, and then break away the waist tag and work my thread back up. Now I'm going to put on a brown scud bag material. So I'm just going to come around. Now I've reduced this by half. I'll just show you a wee second. Once I tie that in and work my thread forward. Right. You don't want it to twist in any way, so just best to have a wee check that it's going to come up and over the back for you before you continue to tie the rest of the flag. So that's the way it comes out of the packet, and what I've done is just cut it up the middle and reduced it by half, just to sort of way suit to say the proportion of the hook, if you like. Now the rib, this is a silver wire, small, so just work my thread back down, tie it up against the back. Then to give the impression of legs, I'm going to use some dyed brown Ostrich herl. So let's get rid of the bottom of it, strip away some of the fibres from the stem, and then work my thread forward again. And all the time here, what I'm trying to do with the thread is build it up, the body up. So what I will do is I'll tie some of these in with that are weighted with the lead foil. But what I'll do is I'll use a different thread. I'll use a red thread so that I can tell the difference between the weighted and unweighted flags that are in my box. Then the dubbing, this is just Possum dubbing that has been bleached. Now I didn't bleach this, it comes like this in the dispenser box. Comes in 12 colours. I'll just show you the wee box in a second. Now just sweep that back, bring your thread to the eye. So that's the box there, which are called Possum Natural Nymph Dubbing. It's good stuff. Now we're just going to come up with our Ostrich herl, and I'm looking to get 4 or 5 turns ribbing the body with the Ostrich herl, and then a wee turn at the front. I'll follow this around with my thread, a couple of turns. Now you can just do your best here, because sometimes the wee fibres want to come forward. Just sweep them back, get a good dozen turns of thread in there, break that away. Then we're just going to counterwind our silver wire, just work it through the Ostrich herl, following this around with your thread. You don't want to catch too many of the fibres in at the front, so sweep them back, a couple of tight turns, and then you can bend and break away the wire. Now at this point you may have caught some fibres in, so just bring the Ostrich herl fibres out with a wee bit of Velcro and make a space on top. Now it looks a bit of a mess at the minute, but I promise it'll all come together. Now stretch your scud back out and bring this over the over the back of the shank of the hook, the back of the fly, nice and tight. Follow this around with your thread. I'm just going to stretch out the scud back, working my thread down. So just have a wee check, make sure you're happy with the way it is over the back, which you am. Another turn and then stretch back and come in and fold all the fibres back that want to go forward of the eye. Now don't be shy with the head on this, especially when you're using the bright coloured threads. Keep your thread tight and come in and throw in a whip finish. Right. Get that back out of the way. Put your thread tight and come in and trim away your tying thread. Stretch your scud back, trim that away. Now, at this point, I want to bring the fibres out and up. So, just flick them up. As you can see there, that gives you your very, very small impression of legs. Now, I want to protect the scud back because it'll be the first thing to go once the fish starts chewing on this, and this wee fly does work, guys. So just a wee drop of UV resin here, light over the back, come straight in and cure that. Don't be looking to be too fussy with it, just get it cured. So give it a couple of seconds. Cure this. Now I'll fish this, if I haven't mentioned, I'll fish this on a team of flies, probably a humongous or a heavier lure on the point, and then 2 of these in the middle. Now another good colour to tie this in is olive, and I'll just show you some of the olive ostrich herl, and just using olive scud back material. Now that there should be dry, which it is. It's looking the business. Now just to seal up the head, just come in with a wee tiny drop of super glue. Yet again, you just want to be careful here not to touch any of the fibres. So I'm just going to hold them back a touch and then just work this around all the time, just being careful not to get it into the dressing. And then as always, I'll just come in and clear off any excess glue that wants to run down into the eye, and then just make sure that the eye is clean. Now, like I say, just use change the colour to olive, and that's the olive, dyed olive ostrich herl there. So just olive body, light olive body. I would use this olive here in the Awesome Possum. Let's bring it closer. That one there, and just bring that out so you can see it. And honestly, guys, it's a great wee fly. It's a great representation of the Hoglouse. That wee fly will also obviously represent shrimp and any other wee crustaceans that are in the lake. So as always, guys, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing, guys. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, please take care, look after each other, and enjoy your fishing. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.